Baked sweet potato with chili beans, guacamole and cashew sour cream. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Wash 4 sweet potatoes, cut them in half lengthwise. Prick them all over with a fork. Place them into an oven and cook for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, finely dice 1 onion. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Finely dice 1 celery stalk. Finely chop 1 small red chilli. Roughly chop 1 handful of coriander. Puree 8 tomatoes into a blender. Heat a large saucepan on a high heat, add half a cup of water. Add the onion, garlic, chilli and celery and saute until the water has evaporated. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir until the spices are fragrant. Add the pureed tomatoes and stir well. Add 2 cups of cooked kidney beans. With a potato masher, reduce the heat and cook for a few minutes until the mixture is thick, but still a bit juicy. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Stir well and remove from the heat. Mash the avocado. To serve, place 2 sweet potato halves on a plate. Top the cup of bean mixture. Spoon over some cashew sour cream. Top with mashed avocado. Sprinkle with fresh coriander and serve.